Hello students, today we are going to start class 2nd subject GK chapter 14 and the chapter 15. First we will start the chapter 14. Are we same? Homophones are sound alike words. Two or more words having the same pronunciation but different meaning, origins or spellings. Example: new, that, which is not old, and new, past tense of no. So here they have given you the pictures and the two names. The pronunciation will be same but meaning different. So choose the correct word for the picture. So here they have given the name and we have to choose the correct spelling. So first is hair, but the spelling of hair, the correct one is H-A-R-E. So just tick on hair. Now second, meat, but the spelling of meat is M-E-A-T, meat. Now desert, now the spelling of desert is D-E-S-E-R-T. Now the fourth one, mice, the spelling of the mice is M-A-I-Z-E. Now cell, then spelling of the cell is S-A-I-L. Now here the sixth one, the spelling of witch is W-I-T-C-H, witch. Now the night, and the spelling is K-N-I-G-H-T. Now the spelling of coal is C-O-A-L. And here the last one, the spelling of pray is P-R-A-Y, pray. Okay, so we have done the page number of 20, chapter 14. Now come to the chapter 15, safety signs. We have to be careful while traveling from one place to another. We see many signboards on the road that help us to travel safely. So here they have given you some picture of the boards and we have to identify the name. Now take the correct answer. First is swim fast, do not swim, or water, and the sign of this is do not swim. So take on do not swim. Now here they have given this sign and they have given the option is enter fast, do not walk, no entry, and the sign is of no entry. Just tick on no entry. Now the third one, the symbol is and the option is go right side, go left side, and the third word, do not use both side, both way, and the answer is go right side, go right side. Now fourth, and the fourth one is avoid mobile phone, do not buy mobile phone, or no signal. It's avoid mobile phone. Now come to the fifth one and the signals, and the option is skull and bones, electricity, poisonous material. So the sign is of poisonous material. Now the last one, first option is alert, second one is general danger, and the Third one is axisymmetry and the sign of general danger. So we have completed the chapter 14 and the chapter 15, and here the sign of danger sign are generally show as yellow triangles. Okay, so this sign is show as a yellow triangle. So we have completed both 14 and 15, and you have to do this work in your textbook only with good and beautiful handwriting. Thank you.